Okay, focus. Perimeter. We know perimeter means add all the sides. And we need to get some stuff for this perimeter. A rectangle is twice as long as its width. So let W equal, that's got to be the width. So if I go ahead and look at my diagram that they so nicely gave me, the width, it really doesn't matter where you label it, but the width would be over here. Twice as long as its width. Twice as long. Twice as long as the width would be times 2. So width times 2 is 2W. Oh, and I know that in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So I know that both my lengths are 2W and both my widths are 2W. Twice as long as 2. Yep. Okay. So write an expression to find the perimeter in 3 different ways. Okay, so perimeter, like we said, means add all the sides together. So the first thing that's jumping into my mind about adding all the sides together is literally to just take all the sides and add them together. So W plus W plus 2W plus 2W, right? That would be perimeter, right? All these are perimeter. Well, they all will be. Okay, so let's think though. What's another way that I could do this? What's another way I could represent the perimeter here? Well, maybe it's jumping into your mind to kind of combine some like terms here. So 2W plus 2W would be 4W, plus 1W is 5W, plus another 1W would be 6W. So 6W is a possible way to represent that. Yes, it's the same and yes, it's equal as the first one, just written differently. It's simplified. And that makes sense because we can't have different perimeters for the same shape, right? One shape can only have one perimeter. We can't have different perimeters for each shape. And then the other way that we can write this is by kind of using some multiplication, right? Because what we're really doing is we have this repeated addition going on. I just feel like it's so weird with the blue eyes. We have repeated addition going on, which can just be rewritten as multiplication. So I could do, 2 times the width plus 2 times the length, right? 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. So right there, we have 3 different ways to write the perimeter. This is very, very similar to like kind of like factoring problem, like in the different ways that you can write it and rewrite it and just represent it in different ways. So yeah, I felt like there you go.